Cut that check. I need my ends.
Did you really just say that?
Let me flame my blunt up too, folks. This is cigato for real, for real. I feel like.
But when you smoke them.
Baby Swerviana on the way.
Who said that?
Wapskino. Oh. Wapskino asked she on the way, and I'm like, yeah, fuck it.
I can't take this off. You tried it.
Wapskino asked his little niece on the way, and I'm like, yeah, fuck it. No, I'm just playing, though. Took the dosays off for... She said she want the DGs off. Making her feet hurt. Man, you ain't wearing them no more either. If I poured champagne on my shit, I could step on your shit. Them was 1 days, little Woody.
They really were because they're very
That was 1 days, little Woody. Ooh, Auntie them did this. I got to get them an extra 500 tomorrow. They did that. Auntie them get a raise tomorrow for this one, Brody. Ain't no plan. Ain't no plan, folks. I got a pen that, so ain't no plan. Huh?
I think I got something better than that.
What you mean? That was just for decorations, man. You ain't even got... What is you finna... You know why I ain't gonna say that? Because I don't know who watching my shit. Because, girl, that shit for decorations, girl. You ain't think you got time to do that?
I'm just telling you.
Let me just be PG. Y'all tweaking.
Not with you making a mess right there.
Tell yeah!
Who said that?
Tell yeah! You know one to know Liam said that. What? I'm lit right now. So they gonna have to put me out. And what I'm gonna do? Oh, hey, book me another spot. book some other shit real quick. Hey, D Flowers, man. You know that I ain't even know you was gonna log in for. You know I ain't doing the Russell Wilson challenge for. But he's sweet for. We real street niggas. We can't go out like that, boy. You know he do some shit that street niggas don't do, man. You know we ain't going out like Russell. But ain't nothing wrong with that, fool. My boy told me ain't nothing wrong with you having used a special somewhere. Did you call your son today? Did I? Too many times. Stupid ass. Fuck is you talking about? My son on his date, he got a Valentine. Little folks getting busy. You know that little folks life lit. I'm talking about I call my son. Fuck is I'm calling my son, cock blocking him for when he on the date. Chill out. Don't worry about what Lil Swerve doing, man. Straight up. You bitches could never make me feel bad. Mm-hmm.
Come here.
Folks said all 2019 he going viral, pinocchio. What you gonna do? What's going on? That's what we got at Suge Knight right here. Yeah, he probably gonna like you know, you're the off guard. The off guard 50 taking out of everywhere I go, they need a smoke alarm. My brother shot, they smoking that. My shit only going up because y'all ass fake. I'm just entertaining y'all because I'm bored. I've been off the hand then. My shit don't never get no 9,000 views unless it's negative or negative. It's really me doing something positive, but y'all just on my shit negative. So that's why y'all here. I'll get like 5,000 on a good day. So I'm going to say 4,000 of y'all ass here that ain't need to be here. So go home. Get up out of here. Straight up. Damn, hold on. They got these on deck.
What?
Hold on.
They're everywhere.
Is they?
They're over there.
Oh,
And they're in the bathroom.
damn. They everywhere. And damn. He is in the bathroom. Auntie them supposed to have the bubble bath John going on. I think this the bubble bath John. Man, y'all get up out of here, man. Y'all don't fuck with me. Get up out of here.
I think we should go this.
We setting the roof on fire tonight. And all the candles on. Everything on. Now, you want me to turn on? You can blow them out. I fuck around, blow the wax, and set the whole damn room on fire. Damn, that's how you know I got vet lungs. One blow took the whole arrow out. That's from this right here. Oh yeah, I'm 2 for 2. Damn, I got vet lungs. Hold on, let me hit the 3. Oh shit, hold on. Wait, no, I might fuck up this time. Whoa! You hit? Oh no, hell no, I'm finna kill us, but what the fuck?
Can you stop acting dumb?
I mean acting. Hold on, I'm gonna put some water in here. They got swerved fucked up.
Come on!
Wait! It's more in the bathroom, man. I had to blow out. Wait, Tiny, you gonna fuck up.
What is that?
Did y'all just see that?
What is in there? What is in there?
Wax?
No, it should not do that.
Maybe liquor got on it, but
Why are you trying to kill me?
we just almost died here. What the fuck? Hey, no, I think y'all don't even understand what just happened. Boy, we just almost fucking died. Hey, Wop. Nigga on cap head, we just damn near burnt the whole room down, boy. On Vito, look. On cap is going down in this bitch.
Why would you do that?
Man, this the candles, folks. That ain't... Damn. We done fucked. Ooh, shit. Everywhere I go, they need a smoke alarm.
Come on, seriously.
Hold on. Oh, shit. Huh, hold my blunt, baby. Huh, hold this. All right, hold this blunt, man. Damn. Hold on, y'all. Y'all got it. Shit.
You're horrible.
Ooh. This Valentine's Day is epic. Oh, what the fuck, Vito? Oh, shit. Oh, bloods. Hey, hold on. Damn. Oh, yeah, the fire department on their way for sure. What the fuck? This all I can do is try to... Oh, shit. I don't for real, bro.
I think you put alcohol on a candle.
Man.
Why would you do that?
Oh, wait, get a towel. Man, this pillow shit ain't working. I ain't gonna lie. This probably like they third, fourth time. This shit ain't happening.
Here, hurry up.
Huh, hold it. What the fuck? You probably got a wedding, man. Damn. it. Oh, bro. I been trying to unscrew it, boy. You goofy ass nigga. Bitch, I snatched this whole bitch off on cap. It's still going off. Boy, I been snatched the whole. Bill took this bitch off the hinges.
Is somebody gonna come?
Right, they don't even get no fuck. Fuck it. If they don't get no fuck, I don't get no fuck. Damn. Oh my God, what the fuck is going on, man?
It was you.
God, I don't like ugly. I'm stunning too much.
You're really gonna continue smoking?
Where my blunt at?
Oh, I put it down.
Yeah, hell yeah, I'm finna smoke.
I don't know where I put it. How do you open this?
This little smelly, little burn fire shit overpowering the weed smoke anyway.
Open this. This is loud.
It's time to pack up, man. We ain't going nowhere. That shit over with. They ain't putting us out. And tell them, man, look, just a young entrepreneur trying to enjoy his Valentine's Day. Chill, man. What the fuck is you doing? What, you trying to open the window? Huh? I'm saying what? That's what you trying to do right here?
All you have to do is press the button.
This bitch stuck. It's over with. Oh, there we go. Oh, how you do that? How you do that, smarty pants?
But like,
They ain't come, son. Where my blunt at?
you did that because you wanted to pour liquor.
I poured liquor on my shoes. That was all in the other room.
I don't care.
It
How
was
you
probably
start
right there. It
that?
might splat.
How
Where
did
my
you
blunt
start
at? It's gone now.
How did you do it?
Oop. I got it. Hold on. I got it.
You need to not be on my
I got it. What's up, man?
What's good? How you doing?
Man, bro, I didn't almost, you know how it be, man. Valentine's Day, this shit done fucked up. You know how I play, but I know you done been in my shoes before, man.
You can't light candles in the room. That's
I ain't know, they
why,
ain't tell
because
me.
the candles go off.
They off now, though. It's all good, bro. I ain't
Let me
burning
check
nothing.
it out. Is
Ask them to open up the window.
It don't open.
decent or what's up?
I'm good. Everybody, we all good.
No, we're
Ain't nothing
fine.
going
It was
on
nothing
here, man.
happened. It was just smoke.
Smoke, man. You done been in my shoes for, man, trying to make the lady happy.
Took it off the wall.
Yeah, because that's the only way. It's right here. You want it?
That's why.
Fucking it down the head. No, it was doing that regardless. It started doing that before I took it off.
We reset it manually.
Put it back on there.
Put it back. Engineer
Want me to put it back?
On there. No, it's
I'm
good.
tall enough, man. I got you.
Get it, engineer.
It's back. 1, 2, 3. You good? My boy, man. Appreciate you, man. Oh, man. It's all good, man. It's for you, bro. Huh.
I'm cool. I'm straight.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, so we good?
Yeah, hotel talking about that. I suppose.
Yeah, it'll be all right. All right, man. Happy Valentine's Day, bro. I go do your little shit, man. Get up out of here.
Hold up.
Boy, I
just
tried to
want
give him a tip, boy. Huh?
I just want
Take
y'all
the-
to know that.
I was finna, bro. You think you know, bro? You know, you think how I think. Bill was finna tip, but he want to act like a player, like he don't want it. All right, get your dumb ass out then, boy, without the tip, boy, because you wasn't putting us out anyway.
First of all,
Get
it's
your
not
dumb
that
ass
much-
out.
It's not even that much smoke.
Hand me the blunt, man. I'm not trying to hear that, man. You know how I bleed.
Why did you just almost do that?
I swear to God, it was not intentional.
Leave it on the dummy.
What a dummy. You lucky I even did all this to make you feel was awake. That's because it's getting hot in here. You too hot. Set the room on fire, girl. What up?
Look at my foot.
How you?
Look at my foot.
Why you gotta put it out like
wax
that? It's all on me too.
It got wax on it, dummy. Why would you do that?
Man, you know that went on purpose.
Yes, you did. I'm convinced. He was trying to kill me for Valentine's Day.
That was gonna go extra viral.
See, that's why I said you need to blow him out. See, we're too low.